in the clip, I'll give you a quick revision about co-prime numbers, and after this I'll give you a few questions to solve based on this topic. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if only common factor between them is 1. Suppose we have two numbers, that is 21 and 32, and we are asked to write that is this 21 and 32 co-prime. First of all, when can we say a number is co-prime? A number is co-prime when common factor between them is only 1. Other than 1, there is nothing as common factor. Then those two numbers are said to be co-prime numbers. If you see here 21 and 32, here the factors of 21 are written, means 21 is divisible with 3 and 21 is divisible with 7, not any other number. Then it is written here about the factors of 32. 32 is divisible with 4, 8, 2, all of these. 32 has all these factors. Clear? Now if you see common factors, 21 has these two, 32 has all of them. So 3, 7 are here, and here only 2 to 2 to all these are there, right? So can you see anything is there which is there in both of them? Like any number is there which is there in 21 also and 32 also? No. 21 has 3 and 7, this has 2. Nothing is common, right? Only common here is 1. 1 is divisible in all of them, that's why. Clear? So thus we can say that 21 and 32 are co-prime because all the factors of them are not similar, means not any one factor is common there. We see that there is no common factor except 1 between 21 and 32. Thus 21 and 32 are co-prime numbers. Clear now? So any number, if it has 1 as a common factor, then only it can be co-prime number. If you see here exercise 3.2, question number 1, which of the following pairs are co-prime? So how can we say? If you see one example I have taken here, 15 and 37. We'll write the factors of 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Then 37 is a prime number we know, and it will come in the table of 37 directly. So the factors of 15 are 3 and 5. Factors of 37 are only 37. Is there anything in common? Nothing in common, na? Except 1. Therefore we can say yes, 15 and 37 are common factors. I mean co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Clear? Now if you see here number, I'll tell you, that is 46 and 108. Is this 46 and 108 co-prime? How to say? I'll tell you, pay attention. Wait a minute. Okay, it is 46 and what is that? 108. So first of all we'll write the factors of 46. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now this 23 is a prime number. Then 108 we'll write the factors. 2 5s are 10, 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 7s are 14. Am I correct? Yes. Now 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now if you see here factors, here 2 and 23 are given, here 2 2 3 3 3 are given. If you see, 2 is there in 46's factor also, and 2 is there in 108 factor also. So here 2 is common in both of them. It has one common factor other than 1, na? Therefore it is not a co-prime number. Understood? It has one common factor, that is 2. Okay, na? This number means 46 and 108. Both of them have 2 as common. When something is common other than 1, when something is common other than 1, that time that number is not a co-prime number. Clear? Like this, I'll give you a few questions after this. Solve them and ask for doubts wherever you face problem. Thank you.